Are you fed up with feeling defeated every time life says no? What if I told you that being turned down isn't the end? It's the start of your change. We will look at timeless lessons from the famous samurai Miyamoto Musashi in this video. These lessons will help you turn rejection into power, clarity, and unstoppable confidence. Step 1. Embrace the unexpected. Being turned down is a normal part of life, and it usually happens when you least expect it. The famous warrior and philosopher Miyamoto Musashi thought it was important to be flexible and ready for anything that could happen in life. In his lessons, Musashi stressed how important it was to be open to uncertainty because growth happens in the unexpected. It's normal to feel lost, upset, or even angry when you're rejected. Instead of fighting or rejecting it, try to see rejection as a lesson and a sign from life that you need to take a moment to think about things again. It is said that Musashi said, "Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world." This point of view tells us to look past our own hurt feelings and understand the bigger picture of rejection. Was it because of a bad timing, a difference in goals, or a chance that looks like a failure? To be open to the unexpected, you should first be aware of how you feel. Trying to hide feelings of rejection only makes the pain last longer. Let yourself be upset, but don't think about it too much. Musashi stressed the importance of not being attached to anything, telling people to let go of the past in order to move on. Don't let failure change who you are or what you can do. It's just a short problem that can lead you to a better way to get there. There is a secret chance in every rejection. Think about what you can learn. It could be a chance to get better at what you're doing, get better at your skills, or find a whole new direction. Don't forget that life is a trip with many turns. Not getting what you want is not the end. It's just a curve in the road that leads you to something better. So, work on being strong. Musashi's life was full of problems, but he dealt with them with discipline and a strong will. Have the same frame of mind. Keep telling yourself that each failure makes you stronger in your ability to change and keep going. When you accept what you don't expect, failure can become a way to grow and change. Step 2. Focus on self-growth. Rejection can feel like a personal loss, but it's also a chance to work on getting better. Miyamoto Musashi's philosophy says that if you have the right attitude, every event, even the bad ones, can help you grow. His hard work at getting better at what he does reminds me that growing as a person takes a lifetime. When someone turns you down, take a step back and think about how you can improve. Did being turned down show you a skill or knowledge gap? If so, use that as a reason to get better. Musashi once said, "The way you train is the only way you can fight." This knowledge shows how important it is to plan ahead and keep improving yourself. Spend time improving your skills and learning new things to deal with failure better. For personal growth, make goals that are clear and doable. Pay attention to things that will make you a better person, like learning a new skill, communicating better, or understanding other people's feelings better. By putting your energy into improving yourself, you change the story from one of failure to one of success. Self-awareness is another important part of growing as a person. Know yourself. Know your enemy. Musashi said to stress how important it was to know oneself. You don't have to worry about what will happen in 100 fights. Rejection gives you a special chance to learn what you're good and bad at. Think about what happened and figure out how you can do better. Being more self-aware will help you deal with problems in the future. So, value self-care. Growth isn't just reaching goals outside of yourself. It also means taking care of your physical, mental, and social health. Mindfulness, daily exercise, and healthy eating are all good things to do. These habits will help you become stronger and keep a good attitude, even when people turn you down. The lessons of Musashi tell us that growing as a person is a process, not a goal. Every time you get turned down, it's a chance to learn, grow, and get better. If you accept the process, you will find that failure is not the end, but a powerful way to change. Step 3. Cultivate gratitude. It might not make sense to be thankful after being turned down, but being thankful can help you change your mind and find peace. The teachings of Miyamoto Musashi tell us to see how everything is linked and to live our lives with humility and gratitude. When we are rejected, we often focus on what we've lost, which makes us unhappy. But being thankful helps us see things in a bigger picture and appreciate the good things that are still in our lives. Start by writing down some things you're grateful for, like your health, the people in your life who support you, or even the chance to learn from the rejection itself. This easy thing can change the way you think and tell you that being turned down is only a small part of a bigger picture. Accepting all things as they are, which was one of Musashi's rules, is a lot like being grateful. You can turn rejection from something that hurts you into something that helps you grow if you can accept it and learn from it. For instance, being turned down for a job could push you to look into other work options or improve skills you haven't used in a while. Focusing on the present is another way to become more grateful. We often get stuck in a loop of regret or worry after being turned down, but being thankful keeps us in the present. Do not regret what you have done. Musashi said to stress the importance of living in the moment. Don't be sad about what could have been. Be happy about what is. Being thankful also makes you stronger. When you see how much good things are in your life, failure doesn't seem so bad. You understand that one failure does not define your path. This way of thinking not only helps you deal with being turned down, but it also gets you ready to handle problems in the future with grace and drive. So, learning to be grateful turns rejection from a burden into a way to get ahead. If you follow Musashi's advice and think about the good things in life, you can deal with failure with peace and purpose. Step 4. Set new goals. Rejection can make you feel like you have no direction, but it can also help you refocus and set new goals. Miyamoto Musashi's theory stresses how important it is to have a clear goal. He thought that setting and reaching important goals was an ongoing process in life. When someone turns you down, try not to dwell on the loss. Instead, use your energy to come up with new goals. See that which you can't see with the eye, Musashi said. These wise words tell us to look past our current problems and imagine a better tomorrow. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? In what ways can I grow from this? First, break your goals down into smaller steps that you can take. Rejection can be overwhelming because it throws off your plans. You can feel in charge again, though, if you set clear, attainable goals. Focus on tasks that move you closer to your goals, whether they're learning new things, making connections, or looking into new possibilities. It's also important to be able to change your mind. Musashi pushed for flexibility because he knew that being rigid leads to nothing happening. If one road ends, look for another. But rejection isn't the end. It's a chance to find other ways to get where you want to go. Be ready to change your goals if you need to, and be open to new ideas. Keep your promise. Musashi's strict control is a good example of how important it is to keep going even when things get hard. You can move more slowly after being turned down, but it doesn't have to stop you. You'll find that new chances come up when you least expect them if you keep going. When you set new goals, failure stops being a setback and starts being a stepping stone. Follow Musashi's advice, and let each turn down make you more determined to be great. Step 5. Help others. One of the best ways to deal with being turned down is to turn your attention to others and help them. The teachings of Miyamoto Musashi stress how everyone is linked and how important it is to work for the greater good. It's easy to let your feelings take over when you've been turned down, but helping other people can help you step back from your problems and see things more clearly. Giving your time, helping others, or just being there for a friend can give you a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Respect the gods and Buddhas, but do not rely on them alone. Musashi said to show how important it was to be selfless. This idea tells us to help those around us and do something. Helping other people makes you stronger too. By helping or giving advice, you remind yourself of your skills and abilities. For instance, telling someone else who has been rejected the same way you have can be both healing and energizing. You know that your problems are worthwhile because they've made you stronger and better able to encourage and boost others. Helping others also makes you feel grateful. When you see how hard things are for people around you, it makes you think about the human experience as a whole. From this point of view, your own rejection seems less distant and easier to handle. Musashi's teachings stress how important it is to help each other and be part of a group. Helping others not only makes your relationship stronger, but it also makes you feel like you belong. This connection can be a strong way to fight the loneliness that comes with rejection. So, when you help other people, rejection becomes a chance to grow and bond. You can find strength, purpose, and a new sense of self-worth by following Musashi's theory and putting other people's needs first. Step 6. Forgive yourself. Feelings of guilt, shame, or self-blame can come from being rejected, but they only make the pain last longer. Miyamoto Musashi taught that it is important to forgive yourself and keep a clear thought as you move forward. Musashi felt that accepting what you have done was powerful. He once said, "Do not regret what you have done." We should remember that making mistakes and having setbacks is a normal part of life. Do not think about what went wrong. Instead, think about what you can learn and how you can get better. To forgive yourself, you must first be aware of how you feel. It's normal to feel upset or sad after being turned down, but don't let those feelings define who you are. To be self-compassionate, you should treat yourself with the same care and respect you'd give a friend. Think about the rejection in an unbiased way. What happened that led to the outcome? Were there things you couldn't change? You get more clarity and perspective when you look at the issue without passing judgment. This process helps you separate who you are from what you did, which makes it easier to forgive yourself. Musashi's lessons also stress how important it is to be strong. Every fight we face in life teaches us something important. When you forgive yourself, you don't forget about your mistakes. You accept them as part of your growth. Learn from your mistakes and get ready for new tasks. So, stop trying to be perfect. Musashi knew that nobody is perfect, and that trying to be perfect often causes more pain than it's worth. Accept the flaws you have and concentrate on making progress instead of aiming for perfection. When you forgive yourself, you let go of the weight of being turned down and make room for new possibilities. Step 7. Believe in yourself. To deal with failure, you need to believe in yourself. Miyamoto Musashi's life showed how important it is to believe in yourself and be strong inside. Even though he faced many problems, he never lost faith in his skills. Rejection can make you doubt yourself, but it's important to remember that what other people think of you doesn't decide your worth. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain, Musashi said one time. This wise saying tells us that being turned down doesn't mean we failed. It means we can try something new. Focusing on your skills and accomplishments will help you believe in yourself again. Remind yourself of the things you've done well and the problems you've solved in the past. These things have shown how strong and resilient you are. Make positive statements about yourself that you say every day. Musashi's lessons stress how important it is to be disciplined and persistent. It takes constant work to believe in yourself. Make your goals small and attainable, and enjoy your success. Every step you take forward boosts your confidence and gets you ready for bigger tasks. Ultimately, surround yourself with good people. Musashi knew how important it was to have a teacher and learn from others. Find people who make you feel good and give you ideas. Their support can help you believe in yourself even more and remember what you're capable of. Adopting Musashi's ideas and working on your self-confidence can help you turn failure into a chance to grow. Believe in your skills, keep your promises, and never lose sight of what you can achieve. By doing this, you'll be able to handle rejection well and come out of it better than ever.